Today, I'll show you how to create audiences for Google Ads in Google Analytics 4. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to connect your accounts and build audiences that can be used for remarketing and more effective campaigns in Google Ads. First, let's start with the connection between Google Analytics 4, often called GA4, and Google Ads. This connection is essential because your data will not flow from Analytics into your ad account until these platforms are properly linked. Without this link, you won't be able to use your GA4 audiences inside Google Ads at all. Begin in your GA4 property. On the left-hand side, go down to the bottom of the navigation and click on Admin. This is where all of your property level settings live. Once you're in the admin area, look for a section labeled Product Links. Under that, you should see an option for Google Ads links. Go ahead and click that. On the Google Ads links page, you'll see a button to create a new connection. Click Link. GA4 will then show you a list of Google Ads accounts that you have access to. Choose the Google Ads account you want to connect with this specific GA4 property. Make sure you're picking the correct account if you manage multiple ad accounts, because the audiences you build will only be available in the accounts you actually link. As you go through the linking setup, there is one crucial setting you absolutely must pay attention to: enable personalized advertising. You want to make sure this is toggled on. Turning this on allows Google Ads to use your GA4 audience lists for remarketing and other personalized ad features. If this is off, your audiences might appear in the interface, but they won't be eligible for many powerful targeting options. So take a moment, double check that this setting is enabled, and then complete the linking process. Once your GA4 property is linked to Google Ads and personalized advertising is enabled, you're ready to create the audiences themselves. You'll still be in GA4 for this part. From anywhere in the property, go back down to Admin again. This time, look for the section called Data Display. Under Data Display, click on Audiences. This Audiences screen is where you can see any audiences you've already created and set up new ones. To create a new one, click on New Audience. GA4 will give you a few options, but to have full control, choose Create a Custom Audience. Now you'll be taken into the Audience Builder. This is where you define exactly who should be included in your audience. You can base this on conditions like page views, events, purchases, engagement time, geography, device type, and more, depending on what's already set up in your analytics implementation. Take your time here and think about how this audience will support your advertising goals. For example, you might build an audience of people who visited your pricing page but didn't convert, or users who completed a specific event that indicates strong interest. As you configure your audience, keep an eye on the estimated size preview if available. This can help you avoid creating audiences that are so narrow they're hard to use, or so broad that they're not very effective. When you're happy with your configuration, give your audience a clear descriptive name so you and your team immediately understand who it contains. Finally, click Save. From this point forward, GA4 will start populating that audience based on your rules. As long as your GA4 property is linked to Google Ads with personalized advertising enabled, this audience will become available in your Google Ads account for targeting, observation, or exclusions. That's all there is to it. Connecting GA4 to Google Ads, enabling personalized advertising, and then creating a custom audience you can use to make your campaigns more relevant and effective.